Locked out of your Fidelity account? Resetting your password is a simple, secure process to get you back in control. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. On the login page, click Forgot User ID/Password. You'll be asked to verify your identity by providing your social security number and answering security questions. Once verified, you can create a new, strong password. Fidelity requires a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. You'll then be prompted to log in with your new credentials. My crucial pro tip? Use a unique password manager. Don't reuse a password from another site. Use a password manager like Bitwarden or 1Password to generate and store a long, complex, and unique password just for Fidelity. This is your first line of defense for your financial accounts. Regain access securely and strengthen your account protection in one move. How do you keep track of all your different financial passwords? For more essential security guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.